The realistic bunny robot has been making waves online as a lifelike robotic pet designed to mimic the behavior of a real bunny, offering companionship without the responsibilities of owning a live animal. Marketed as an innovative blend of technology and creativity, it features interactive functions like hopping, ear movement, and responsive sounds. While it may seem like a fun and futuristic gadget, many are questioning whether this viral robot pet lives up to the hype. Some users praise its adorable design and realistic movements, noting that it provides comfort and entertainment, especially for children or seniors. However, there are concerns about its durability, as some units reportedly stop working after minimal use. Others mention loud motor noises, limited battery life, and a high price tag that doesn't align with its functionality. Additionally, while it's marketed as a substitute for real pets, it lacks the emotional connection that comes with owning a living animal. In a nutshell, while the realistic bunny robot is charming and innovative, its inconsistent performance and steep cost make it hard to justify for most buyers. Consider your expectations carefully before purchasing. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.